On your child phone, open TikTok. Tap on the Me icon from the bottom of the screen. Here, tap on the three dots from the top right corner. Here, on General, find Digital Wellbeing and tap on it. First, let's enable Screen Time Management. Here, tap on Turn on Screen Time Management. Now set a password you only know. Please do not put the birth year of your child, as they will figure it out. Put something hard to guess. Now screen management is turned on. Now tap on the back arrow from the top. Now let's restrict also the content. Tap on this option. Here, tap on Turn on Restricted Mode. Write the password you used in the other option. Now restricted mode is enabled. Also, you can go on Privacy and Safety. So, this is how you enable TikTok Family Safety Mode. If this was useful, please thumbs up, share and subscribe, as this will help me a lot. Thank you, bye bye.